Hey guys, I want to just go over the setups I have now that I got the levels set up for Euro USD. Maybe we'll do ES as well. So in my last video, I said the next setup above would be the reclaim of the level that we had tested almost 7-8 times since April 11th, Friday. And right at the open, that's exactly what we got. This is a 1 hour chart. We're about 30 minutes into the session. So let's go into a 15-minute time frame to really see what happened. And you can see perfectly how at the open we pushed through the level and triggered it, came back down and started pushing up. So if you look at a 5 minute, this is the trigger, this is the takeoff. So you want to enter around 5:15. Excuse me, one sec. Excuse me. And that's that. It was a great reclaim. And if you entered around 1400, this is already up 15, 16 points. Only issue is the spread is really high. So if you didn't have a position, it's a little tough to enter. So I want to go back to the 15. Now I'm looking for reclaim back test. So now I want to see price come back. Maybe if it comes back slowly, you could, or even in one shot, it's a potential to long it directly. If not, a dip in recovery of this level, maybe to tag this minor level and then reclaim this again, would be a good long. Maybe a stop loss below here or here. Besides that, I'm looking for now a sell off into this macro level. That would be about almost 35, somewhere around 30 to 40 points, depending on how far it goes. Maybe a back test of this bull flag that we've been breaking out of now since Friday morning. We are ultra bullish, like I keep mentioning. Consolidations used to be month. Now they've lasted about, let's see how long this consolidation has been. About 2 weeks almost. That's it. We've had a bunch of great setups. The setup that would have got you long for this whole move would have been this failed breakdown on Tuesday afternoon. Clearly we lost this low, triggered at 1 o'clock, pushed through finally at 3, and then never came back down since. So we have an active failed breakdown. Until we lose that, we are hyper bullish. The failed breakdown of this area right here would be a great trap for people trying to short. It could go down as low as this major zone possibly before ramping back up. If you were cautious, you could wait for the reclaim of this level after it was lost, just to be safe from further selling. However, now that we have, looks like we're breaking out, I definitely would want a back test of this macro level or this bull flag to confirm the breakout. Otherwise it could just fall back into this consolidation. So otherwise, like we keep on talking about, we are bullish. We had a reclaim above. I wanted to sell, but we didn't get that yet. We triggered at the open, and now we're up nearly 20 points from this level that we wanted to reclaim. Let's go over ES real quick and see what we can work with there. So ideally the setup, we've already spoken about it, but the ideal setup would have been 306, 308 level, but that triggered at near close on Thursday. So now what I'd like to see is a dip in recovery of this level, maybe a failed breakdown of this low, possibly as low as here before reclaiming back up. Otherwise, we could get a reclaim of this level. We've already triggered it, so maybe now we can sell a little bit before pushing back through. Otherwise, a failed breakdown of this Thursday morning low will be the best setup I'm looking for. Ideally, further selling is possible. Then I'm looking for a failed breakdown of this zone, maybe even a direct tag. Maybe we don't get below this low, but let's see.